In a world where wealth is often showcased through flashy lifestyles and conspicuous consumption, some people choose a different path, one of quiet success and understated affluence. These individuals, whom we might call undercover millionaires, have mastered the art of building substantial wealth while flying under the radar. In today's video, we're going to delve into practical strategies that you can use to become an undercover millionaire. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your approach, these tips will help you build wealth discreetly and effectively. Number 1. Embrace a modest lifestyle. The foundation of becoming an undercover millionaire lies in embracing a modest lifestyle. This means living below your means and making deliberate spending choices. Focus on frugal living, not by denying yourself comfort, but by being mindful of your expenses. Prioritize essentials over luxuries and find ways to save on everyday costs. For example, use coupons, shop during sales, and buy in bulk to maximize savings. These habits reduce your monthly expenses and allow you to allocate more money towards savings and investments. Choose affordable housing that meets your needs without overextending your budget. A comfortable home in a good neighborhood can provide security and satisfaction without the financial strain of a luxury property. Similarly, when it comes to transportation, opt for reliable, economical vehicles over costly, high-maintenance luxury cars. This not only cuts down on the initial purchase cost but also saves on insurance, fuel, and maintenance in the long run. By prioritizing quality over quantity and making informed purchasing decisions, you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle while substantially reducing your expenses. The money saved can be reinvested in your wealth-building efforts. Number 2. Master the concept of stealth wealth. Stealth wealth is all about keeping your financial success under the radar. This means being discreet about your income, net worth, and investments. Avoid public discussions of your financial achievements. The less people know about your wealth, the less likely you are to attract unwanted attention or envy. This principle also extends to your appearance and lifestyle choices. Dress simply, opting for quality items that aren't flashy or branded. Drive modest cars and steer clear of ostentatious displays of wealth. This approach not only safeguards your privacy but also aligns with the idea of living within your means. Managing your social media presence is another key aspect of stealth wealth. Be cautious about what you share online. Avoid posting about expensive purchases or lavish vacations. Instead, focus on sharing experiences and achievements that reflect your values and interests rather than your financial status. By maintaining a low profile, you can enjoy your wealth without the pressures and complications that often come with public recognition. Number 3. Diversify your income streams. Building wealth quietly often requires multiple income streams. This strategy not only enhances your financial security but also speeds up your wealth-building process. Passive income sources are particularly valuable. These can include rental properties, dividend stocks, bonds, or royalties from intellectual property. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, providing a steady cash flow that can be reinvested to grow your wealth further. Side hustles and freelance work are also effective ways to supplement your primary income. Identify skills or hobbies that can be monetized, and dedicate time to developing these ventures. Whether it's freelance writing, consulting, or starting a small online business, additional income streams can significantly boost your financial stability. Investing wisely in long-term assets is another critical component. Focus on safe, diversified investments rather than chasing quick gains. This approach minimizes risk and ensures steady growth of your wealth over time. By diversifying your income, you can create multiple pathways to financial success, making it easier to accumulate wealth discreetly. Number 4. Invest in knowledge and skills. Continuous learning is essential for long-term success. Investing in your knowledge and skills can significantly enhance your ability to make informed financial decisions and identify profitable opportunities. Self-education is a powerful tool. Read books, take online courses, and attend workshops in areas like finance, business, and personal development. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the complexities of wealth building. For example, understanding the basics of the stock market can help you make smarter investment choices, while knowledge of tax strategies can save you significant amounts of money. Networking is another important aspect. Build relationships with like-minded individuals who can offer advice, share experiences, and open doors to new opportunities. Surrounding yourself with knowledgeable and successful people can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own financial journey. Stay adaptable and keep up with market trends. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and being able to adjust your strategies in response to these changes can give you a significant advantage. Whether it's new investment opportunities or emerging industries, staying informed allows you to capitalize on trends and make timely decisions. By continuously investing in your education and skills, you can enhance your financial acumen and increase your potential for wealth accumulation. Number 5. Avoid debt and save aggressively. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth. To become an undercover millionaire, it's crucial to avoid high-interest debt and save aggressively. Start by steering clear of unnecessary debt, such as high-interest credit card balances or costly loans. If you already have debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Implement a debt repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debts first, gradually reducing your financial liabilities. Aggressive saving is equally important. Aim to save a substantial portion of your income, ideally 20 to 30%. This disciplined approach helps you build a solid financial foundation and provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Automate your savings to ensure consistency by directing a portion of your paycheck into savings and investment accounts before you have a chance to spend it. By avoiding debt and saving diligently, you can accumulate a substantial financial cushion that supports your long-term wealth-building goals. Number 6. Build a network of trusted advisors. Having a network of trusted advisors is crucial for maintaining and growing wealth quietly. These advisors can offer valuable guidance and help protect your financial interests. First, find a knowledgeable financial advisor who understands your goals and values privacy. A good financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive wealth management plan, suggest appropriate investment strategies, and provide ongoing advice to ensure you stay on track. Legal advisors are also important, especially when it comes to structuring your assets and planning your estate. An experienced attorney can help you set up trusts, draft wills, and navigate complex legal issues to protect your wealth and ensure it is passed on according to your wishes. Tax advisors play a key role in optimizing your financial strategy. A skilled tax advisor can help you minimize your tax liabilities through strategic planning, ensuring that you retain more of your wealth. They can also keep you informed about changes in tax laws that might affect your financial situation. By building a network of trusted advisors, you can make informed decisions, protect your assets, and ensure your wealth continues to grow quietly. Becoming an undercover millionaire requires making smart financial choices, living modestly, and valuing privacy. By following these strategies, you can quietly build significant wealth and enjoy financial security while keeping your success under the radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.